Caravaggio first unveiled the Unica Series 1 kit for the Corvette Z06 and Stingray early last year, and now the company is proud to present the first couple of models that have been completed. The gorgeous silver and red cars are number 1 and number 2 of a planned run of 30 Unica Series 1 Corvettes and represent the brand's continued foray into Corvette territory with an elegant take on GM's mid-engine sports car. The lovely Unica 1 kit builds off of years of the company creating Euro-quality interiors for the C7 Corvette, among other Vette-related projects and upgrades. The C8 is a pointed, aggressive sports car meant to embarrass vehicles 3 times its price, but it still lacks the refinement of European rivals. Caravaggio has reimagined the model with fewer angles and more sweeping lines, allowing the viewer to focus more on the silhouette and how gorgeous it truly is. We'd go so far as to say that Caravaggio has finished off the exotic look GM was going for. The first model off of the line is silver with black, white, and red racing stripes down the center of the car. It sits on 8-spoke silver wheels and features a hidden 1/25th decal on the right front intake of the car. The interior is then an interesting black and red combination with contrasting materials. The driver's area features almost exclusively bright red leather everywhere the eye can see, with a red leather/carbon fiber steering wheel directly in front. The passenger side is then made up of what looks to be the ever-so-popular black Alcantara. It's a striking contrast, and one can see additional carbon fiber sprinkled around as well. The door sills round out the look with 125 carbon fiber plaques. Number 2 comes with a bright red exterior with silver and black racing stripes. It appears to have the same 8-spoke wheels as the other one and a black interior, but the company hasn't provided any pictures of the cabin. When the two are situated next to one another, you can't help but think just how Ferrari-esque the kit helps the car to look, invoking images of the 488 and the F8. You may have noticed the cars say 1/25th as opposed to 1/30th, and that's because the company has set 5 units aside as special bare carbon models. We imagine the company has a ways to go before it starts building those, as bare carbon is notoriously difficult to work with. The company says the normal kits are $135,000, not including the donor car. This is up from the $110,000 it quoted the kits at last year, so expect the carbon versions to jump up from there. The company says it's still accepting orders.